Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a quick little project share on some Halloween embellishments that I have been working on. You guys follow me on Instagram, then you will know what I'm talking about. These are just gems that I had in there. So I have a video on how to sew circles. These are leftovers because I didn't punch out enough of the 2-inch circles to layer them. Hold on. Let me zoom in the camera more. Okay, so like right here. So once I sewed them, I kind of just puffed them up with dimensional tape, the smaller 1.5 inch on top of the 2-inch one. And these are what I made. I originally tried to paint these little flies with my gold marker, kind of like I've been doing with these like taxidermy style things, but these are made of rubber from the dollar store. They never dry. This paint will never dry on those bugs. So I thought that was really weird, and I let it try to dry for 2 days, still didn't work. So I gave up on that. I just left them black. All these like spiders and this bat are plastic rings, and I chopped the ring part off, just layered some words. I really love the look of like a sloppy staple, like for these Halloween embellishments. And then just added, you know, gemstones throughout. Those gemstones are from Michael's. I love them that they come in the 3 different sizes. This little like gauze style like mermaid fishnet is in the background. I just thought it gave it that like almost like a mummy look, you know, like falling apart. So those are some of the circle embellies that I made. Then on this one, you guys saw me make a video how to make these, I guess, how to make a cut file with any image you see on the internet. So I made these little bats. These are like 1 3/4 inch wide, or maybe 2 inches, I'm not sure. And I put different like centers in the middle. I figured my pals can use them for whatever. Either like embellishments or like a paper clip or whatnot. So I did resin, gems, and then I did little orange pom-poms. Then I also have some like non-assembled ones. I gotta package those up. I will link down all the videos that I'm referring to. Then these guys are the little tutorial I did. The bats are, like I said, I chopped a ring apart from the dollar store and just painted it with my pen, my Daiso Japan pen for $1.50. Just painted them so they're like taxidermy style. And the bugs did not work because, like I said, they never dried. And these could be used like on a rosette, or you know, you can either make a paper clip, anything that you like. Then these little guys, actually let me get ones that are finished. I got these clips from Hobby Lobby, and then I just made these same exact bows, but I sized them down on my Silhouette Cameo, or actually on my Cricut. I think I cut this with my Cricut because it's glitter, yes. I just sized it down and made a miniature version, which is so cute. It's like 1 1/4 wide, and I put a little black gemstone in the center, and I love how these turned out. These are so cute. So those are just a couple of those little clothespin ideas. Then these guys, I only did 4 because I only had 4 of these like super wide fat clothespins. So I glittered them Mod Podge first, and then I stuck some of just like the stick, like a glob of hot glue, and stuck the rhinestones on there. These are like bedazzled Halloween clips, I guess. There's some with the orange resin flowers with just some black and clear in there. I thought those turned out super cute. And I got this inspiration from, I think it's Kitty Scrapper on Instagram. I can't remember the exact link, but she did something similar, but I did like a Halloween version. So I did those. Then, and this one, I hauled that gold tape from AliExpress that works perfectly in the We Are Memory Keepers thing, and I typed out some Halloween words like eek and boo and creepy. I have other words in here as well, but that's what I was doing with that. And these guys are this is the Rosette die, the Sizzix Rosette die, and I just cut them out and then did a 2-inch circle on top. This was a ring, I chopped it off. This was a ring, chopped it off. And then you guys saw me haul that circle die, and I placed it in the background. I think it just adds that little extra touch of, like, I don't know, like a splash of gold, because I love gold. Binks from Hocus Pocus, I made his eye a little gem. And then this little pocket, I made these little page flags. You guys saw me post on Instagram. I love this My Mind's Eye Something Wicked paper pad. It's double-sided, so that's like perfect for a page flag. First I sewed it. First I cut the shape like a rectangle, and then I sewed it, and yeah. And then I folded it into the paper clip. And I have these little tiny tassels. These are all clearance from Hobby Lobby. And then this one is just part of the paper pad. The 31's all glittered, so I loved that. And here's my bat, my flashing bat that people have noticed because it's facing forward, so he's flashing people. I love that glitter on the other, just a peep of glitter on the back side of that. Super cute little page flags. And all the clear trays I have, like this big giant one is from Dollar Tree. And then I also have the smaller version, which is also from Dollar Tree. I love both of them. But I like the small ones because they take up less space. And then these trays, these are from Dollar Tree as well. I made a bunch of these crepe paper embellishments. I felt like these were the easiest to crank out only because the crepe paper rosettes were already pre-made. I actually bought them from Christina. She's Christina's D-Stash on Instagram. I'll link her down below. She sells like bundles, different colors and whatnot. I know she's a little back ordered right now. A good thing. She's got tons of orders, so be patient. But yeah, they were already done for me, so I didn't have to make these. I wasn't trying to fussy cut, trying to make a circle. I just, here they are, and I got to layer them, and I love them. So that's what I made for these guys. You guys saw me haul that spiderweb die, except for I just cut it apart to make it like staggered looking on top of the rosette. With the little chipboard pieces, little ephemera. I must have got this in Happy Meal because I don't know where that's from. Some stitching, some staples, double layered doily, pom-pom fringe. Then I just wink of Stella'd a regular black piece of cardstock, so now it looks like a glitter piece of cardstock. I don't know if you can see that on camera. And this one, I love this little crow I got in some Happy Meal. Little spider web sequin staples. And then in the back is, you can't tell the pattern, but it's spider web tulle. It's from like the dollar store. Here's that die that I just glued on top to give it that extra sparkle. And then I think this one's my favorite. These Clarence Posies, I hauled from Michael's, like when they had that huge sale like 6 months ago. Then I just did some glitter, black glitter, did some hot glue, just a little bit, and some glitter. Then this like garland stuff I just kind of put in the flowers. Double layered black and gold ephemera, and then not ephemera, what are these called? Crepe paper rosettes. And then this one I did a black skull, the same thing, stuck some Hobby Lobby leaf ribbon in the background to just add that extra, and then some glossy accents to the eyes to make them look shiny on just this eye, the black one. So these are my fave. I love those ones. Then this one, just a little banner. Kate gifted me that, and then I just did a circle, big circle die. Some layering of like stickers. They're puffed up. And throughout like a lot of the projects, I have enamel dots, or not enamel dots, nuvo drops. I use the ebony black and the ripened pumpkin nuvo drops throughout my projects. And this one, just a little sticker. I did some nuvo drops on top of the flower, some sequin bat. So yeah, that is my, so far, little stash. I've been cranking out some Halloween embellishments because Halloween's around the corner. And stay tuned because October will be my 1-year anniversary on Instagram, and I will be doing a giveaway over there. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.